Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. You're welcome. If you've not watched Vlogmas Day 17, please go back and watch. And if you've not watched any Vlogmas, please go back and watch. I've been vlogging since on the 1st. Yeah, I'm trying to use up this candle. When I bought it, I think I've really lit it like, let's say 3 times. I'm trying to use it up right now, so it will finish fast. I think this is like the worst candle I have ever gotten. This is definitely the worst. The smell is not nice. I don't know why I even bought this candle, but the smell is not nice. But I hate to waste things. I hate to waste money, add-in money. Even if it is 1,500, I still wait to waste it. So I'm going to light it now and use it up. I'll just keep it here so I remember to use it every single time. Guys, I'm in the kitchen right now and I'm trying to make beans and plantain, and I think I'm also going to make banana bread because I have plantain that is about to go bad and I don't want it to go bad, so I'm making beans for the plantain and also banana too. I think 4 or 5 of the bananas are starting to get extremely really ripe, so I'm going to make banana bread too. But right now I would make breakfast like no, we're not eating beans and plantain for breakfast. I think we'll eat it for lunch, but for breakfast I'm craving yam, boiled yam and fried egg. It's been long I had boiled yam and fried egg, so long. So we're going to do that right now. The beans is already on the fire boiling, about to get cooked really good. Yeah. Guys, I'm done cooking. I don't know, more people should cook because cooking is so fun sometimes and very easy for me. very easy for me. That's by the way, I'm done cooking. I made beans, I made yam, boiled yam and egg sauce. The egg sauce is for the yam and the beans is for the plantain in the afternoon. Let me show you what I made. The egg sauce, and if you're wondering why is it cooked in the pot instead of pan, I use this thing, this same pot to fry pepper for the beans, and I was like, I'm not, you know, about to wash another pot, so I just use the pot instead of using pan. And this is the boiled yam, just boiled normal with salt, nothing. And this is the beans. I don't know why the color is like this on camera, but this is the beans. I like really soft beans, soft and running watery beans. When it cools down, it will get a little bit, you know, harder. I don't know how to explain it, but guys, it's been hours after I ate and I feel like my nails needs to be changed, but I don't want to go out to get it changed, so I'm going to do it myself right now. I'm doing it myself right now. I have this nail polish that I'm about to use. This is what it looks like now. Hello you guys, it's later now and I got dressed, took my bath, got ready, and I decided to wear this headband. No, what's this? Is it a headband? It's not a headband. I've gotten, let's say, headband. So I decided to wear it because my face was looking a bit too round, so I needed something. And I'm thinking right now that this thing made it a lot rounder, but this is me. This is what I'm wearing. I look cute just to sit at home and bake banana bread. I'm about to make banana bread. I ran outside just now to go and buy egg too. I forgot that I don't have egg. I used the last egg that I have this morning for that egg sauce you saw me make. I forgot. I ran out to buy 2 egg. Getting there now, they said I carried 200 because I was thinking egg was 100 naira, because when I was in Delta I bought egg for 100 naira. So I only had 200 naira. I rushed out. I was like, oh, let me go and buy egg, 2 egg for my banana bread. getting there, they said one egg is 150, 120, yes, 120, and I only have 200, so I bought only one egg for my banana bread. Yeah, only one egg. I need to be careful with it so it does not fall. But I'm making banana bread. I'm sure I've shown you how to make my banana bread many times. Very easy recipe. All you need is flour, baking flour, and baking soda, sugar. This is sugar. Some people use butter, but I use vegetable oil because the recipe I saw on YouTube that I've been using ever since, they used oil and vegetable oil and egg and milk, any kind of milk that you have. For me, I'm using this almond milk. And also look at my nails. I'm sure most of people are like, why are you topping it? Instead of to remove the old polish that was there before adding it, why are you topping it? But look at it, still nice. I love this polish a lot. This one, you won't even know that I had, like, you know, previous red one underneath it, but it's so fine. Yeah, nice. I wanted to change my polish because that red has been in my video because I made it on the 1st of December. It has been on my nails since on the 1st. I needed to switch it up because you are seeing me every day. You cannot be seeing one nails every single day. That was why I decided to switch it up. Yeah, it's cute, right? I really like it. First, banana. We're using how many banana? I don't know that we can make them plenty, but only one egg I feel buy. Guess how much for egg?
150.
120.
I buy 120 they complain.
I buy for house for auntie, yeah. 100 naira.
150 they buy.
150?
Yes.
I mean, I forget this one. These bananas are so ripe. The best banana to use for banana bread is overly ripe one. I burnt my cake. I burnt it. So later on, we decided to have a little bit of wine with our banana bread, and that was what we did, and watch K-drama. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye, guys.